Hey everyone, Sedona Dave here, and today I'm going to go over the steps to recover a bungee if it snaps into the red section of your cane when replacing a tip. So as you're replacing the tip, you pull the hook style tip out of the cane, and if this metal tab does not span the tube, that actually sets up for the bungee to snap into the tubing. Not broken, not lost. We're going to go over steps to recover that bungee. Going to need a couple tools. First tool of choice for me is a 12-inch crochet hook. Okay, I took the top indicator off the hook, and this shaft is smooth. I don't have that finger, I don't know what you'd call it, a finger guide that helps crocheters. So this is just a simple 12-inch straight shaft crochet hook. This is a 4 millimeter diameter. I would recommend anywhere between a 4 and 6 millimeter diameter hook. Other tools you can use, I've got a coat hanger. Okay, basic coat hanger. Okay, snip the bottom and form a little hook. There you go. See, that's just a little hook that'll help grab the bungee. So a straight section of coat hanger will work just fine. Or if you know an iron worker or have an iron worker friend, ask that you could borrow his roll of tie wire and again put a little hook at the end of the tie wire. That'll help fish out the bungee. For today's demo, I'm going to use the crochet hook. Insert the hook end into the cane bottom, and honestly, it's just a matter of gone fishing. Down and up, twist it a little bit. It takes patience and finesse, and you'll know when you hook it. Alrighty, I got it. So as I have the loop of the bungee hooked, I'm going to pull it out of the cane carefully. I see it, grab it, pull and recover the metal tab. Okay, so it takes finesse and patience. Hang in there. All right, sometimes you'll get it on the first try, sometimes you'll get it on the 100th try. Endurance, patience. All right, so Sedona Dave at the Cane Lab, putting on a brand new hook style tip. Okay, on the move.